Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, we'll learn how you can copy a page and paste it into another project. So these are the projects. I have a different project and I want to copy and paste this whole page into that project. All right, this method is very simple and you can do it within a few seconds. Let's get started. So this is the project that I want to move this page into. I want to do this in the grid view because in grid view, it's easier to copy everything. After clicking on grid view, these are the pages that I want to move to another project. All right, just press Control-C, and after that, go to the project where you want to paste it. Go to the grid view as well, and just paste it here. And boom, you can see the new pages have been added to this project. All right, so if I want to add this slide as the second one, just drag it, and you can add it in the second position. In the same way, I want to add this in this format. All right, and if you want to do the same for another page, you can do it this way as well. And that's it. Now you can see my new pages have been added to this project. If you check, everything is editable. So in this way, you can easily copy pages to another project. All right, this is the simple way. If you have any queries about Canva, you can comment below and we will answer your questions. If you want us to create a specific video on your topic, comment below and we will make that video as well. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.